Make a cylinder with 7 verticals. Add 3 loop cuts to make a 4-part cylinder. Select the second and the third one. Then right click and subdivide. Now select the faces of the first and the third part of the cylinder. Ctrl T to turn them into triangles. Select the edges in the second part. Go to Select and check your Deselect. Use these numbers. Now go to the up view and scale it up. Now select the faces of the fourth part and Ctrl T again. Select the top face and rotate in the Z axis and type out -25. Select the third cut and move it higher. And for the second cut, get it right beside the third one. Scale down the top and the bottom and move it like this. Maybe lower down the top part even more. Also the bottom part should be scaled down a bit more. Extrude the bottom part, then collapse. Now shape it as you desire. Select the whole top part faces. Press Alt J to turn them into quads. That was the hard way. Now for the easy way, you can use add-ons. Go to add-ons and turn on Add Mesh Extra Objects. Now go to the Mesh, Diamonds and Brilliant Diamonds. Now you basically have the same thing in like 5 seconds. Now add glass material. Put down 2.4 for the IR and 0 for roughness. Duplicate it 3 times. Make them red, green and blue. Then add 3 mix shaders and connect them like this. Now you can change the color to whatever you want. Throw a good HDRI map on it and you should have something like this. You can also modify it to turn them into jewelries that can be used in earrings and necklaces, or you can implant it into your character's forehead. Now you have a wrapper.